Now, India is set to host French President Emmanuel Macron on his three-day visit. Macron is scheduled to arrive in Mumbai tonight and will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi before he heads to Delhi for the India AI Impact Summit. Now, according to the Ministry of External Affairs, both leaders will review the progress of strategic partnership and explore ways to expand cooperation into new as well as emerging sectors. They will also inaugurate the India-France Year of Innovation 2026 and address a gathering of business leaders in Mumbai. Parallel to this, India and France have announced the joint venture to produce advanced hammer missiles used during Operation Sindoor. India does not want to fully depend on foreign supply for this weapon, so the plan is to produce it locally, indigenously, that is. India's Bharat Electronics even signed the agreement declaring a joint venture with France's Safran Electronics and Defense for Project Hammer. The joint venture will facilitate the operation of a Center of Excellence to act as a technology-teaming partner for the manufacturing, supply, maintenance, repair of the guidance kit of Hammer weapon system. France has been among India's closest strategic partners in defense and aerospace sectors. Just last week, India's Defense Acquisition Council also cleared the procurement of 114 Rafale multi-role fighter aircraft from France. WION's principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this detailed report from Mumbai.
French President Emmanuel Macron is set to visit India's financial capital city, Mumbai. He is set to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi right here in Mumbai itself, where they are expected to hold bilateral engagements on various issues from regional to global, as well as also on the defense part, on the technology expansion, trade expansion, and even artificial intelligence, which we call AI these days. So discussions around that is also expected, and later during the day, in the evening, they are also set to launch the India-France Year of Innovation 2026. So it is going to be a busy Tuesday here in the city of Mumbai, and massive security arrangements are also put in place, where throughout the day heavy vehicles have been completely banned on the key arterial routes to ensure that the travel is smooth for both the leaders who will be traveling through the city tomorrow in Mumbai as well.